In a major crackdown on corruption in the central government offices, the CBI, ACB Imphal has arrested a senior accountant of the Office of the Principal Accountant General Imphal in a bribery case. The arrested official has been identified as Irom Bishorjit Singh, senior accountant, GOE, sectioned. According to reports, he was caught red-handed while allegedly demanding and accepting a bribed amount of 10,000 rupees for processing a MACP filed of a staff member of the Forensic Science Laboratory, Pangai. Acting on specific inputs, a CBI team laid a trap today and apprehended the accused official along with the bribed money. The CBI has stated that investigation is underway and search operations are being carried out at the residence and other premises linked to the accused.